Good afternoon, everyone. So, it's been a while since I made an update video and since I streamed. In the meantime, I have been actively trading and actively keeping updates and posting updates in the Discord as well. Um, Let me just share my screen over here because I basically share my trade analysis and trades every single day. So instead of just streaming every day, I think I was not in the right mindset because I was on quite a losing streak, like over a year, daily loss limited, and um, March has not been great for me actually. But I do have to say I'm getting back on track again because I'm nearly at payout level with one Bellinox funded account again, so that's good. I'm working on 5 top step evals, and I think I have like $400 left to pass them. Let me grab my Excel sheet. So tomorrow, all I need is this for the Bellinox account to get a payout. The 5 top steps accounts is only 390, so also very doable. I hope to do that today, but yeah, today is a day I marked on my calendar as Trump speaking, but then I looked and I saw, oh, it's only 10 in the evening for Brussels time for me. So yeah, I've already been trading today. Speaking of, I did a great trade on my Bellinox account today. I had 2 losses and 2 wins, but the losses were minimal, were almost break-even stops, and the 2 winning trades were 2 shorts on ES. And let me get to that because there's a reason why I'm looking more and more to the ES and not at NQ. So this is my trade for the Bellinox account today. Very happy with that. And now to get back to the question, why ES? So I mainly focus on ES and MES. Reason for that is basically ES is more forgiving. I can trade one contract on the Nasdaq and get totally wiped out and hit my daily loss limit. But in the meantime, I can trade one contract on the ES and my setup would play out perfectly. So far, so good, but for the coming months, I am not touching the Nasdaq, only ES, strictly. And currently, I am looking at the NAS. And as we can see, we basically just went down the whole morning. So here we rejected of the 200 moving average all the way down, and now we hit the 1-day max. So it, well, almost I think, but hey, it could be interesting if we hit the 1-day max and then eventually revert back up. But yeah, time will tell. It's currently pre-market and I'm not trading the pre-market. I will probably trade the New York Open 30 minutes after, unless I really see a good trade. And otherwise it's gonna be the New York lunch once the price has been established and finds a direction. Speaking of, I don't know why I dragged and dropped that, because I think I still have this. Ta-da! That still works. I still need to look into getting the left monitor as well, so I can pop that on the left side and then pop that other one on the right side of the screen. But as you can see over here, this is my main view, but I also love to look at this view. Just purely focus on the DOM. And I've been doing tick drills for almost 1 month now, and that doesn't have to mean that that's why I had a losing streak in March, but the whole reason I think I had a losing streak, especially looking at my journal, is basically getting stopped out on NQ and then eventually seeing my whole setup play out. and I could have taken it in with a micro contract, and I would probably be fine, but for some reason I am more comfortable trading one mini. It's more my style. So everybody trades differently, and I rather have just one mini and yeah, hit my target quicker. Now, granted, the last month in March it has been very volatile, so yeah, that's also a reason why I got wiped out, probably. But that's all in the past. I learned from it, and I'm sticking now to ES, one mini contract, and maybe I'll even look into the MES for the micros, and then I'll scale it up to 3 micros. But yeah, other than that, I don't have any updates at the moment. Please feel free to join the Discord. I'm getting more and more members, so that is good. And I'm also thinking about streaming the weekends because I like to trade Bitcoin since a couple of weeks now. So if you're interested in watching that, you can also have a look. But other than that, if you're trading today, stay safe and have a good one.